everybody, it is Alexandra here at Leisure RV Center DFW. We are a dealership, a part of Vogt RV, where we house our Day One service initiative and enroll our members into our VRV family membership for 12 months on us. Today I'm super excited to show you I have the 2025 Outside Van Approach right behind me. This model is super awesome and is very capable for some family travels or some friend travels. We are on the 170 wheelbase chassis. It is a true seat 4, sleep 4. I can't wait to show you guys. So first we're going to start out on the outside. Here you are going to have your Fox Agile Improvement Package ride, your all-terrain tires, and then your full blacked out wheels created by Outside Van. Up at the front here we are going to have your 2 floodlights, 50-inch light bar up at the top. I really love these graphics that they have on here. Really just pulls everything together and gives you like the true adventure feel to it. Around the backside, you're gonna have your ladder. All metal work is created by Outside Vans in factory. They try to do everything that they possibly can there at the factory. Up top, you're gonna have the Outside Vans Safari roof rack with the crossbars, so you can put storage up there, skis, pretty much anything that you think. Back here, we're gonna be on the 30 amp service, and here are gonna be your water hookups. Outside Vans also makes their winged step to get into the back, and then you will also have 3 points of air compression, one up in the front grille, back here, and then in your sliding door that I will show you as well. And then you're gonna have kind of your rear floodlights and then all around side floodlights as well. Here we are making our way inside. You do have your awning. It's gonna be manual, and then you're able to hook it onto the side of your unit or put the legs down to the ground. And as we head on inside, we're gonna go to the cab, and then I'll show you around on the interior. All right, so we have made it up here into the cab area. You are going to be on your Mercedes chassis. Again, it's going to be that 170 wheelbase. It's going to be the 4-cylinder high output diesel engine within it. Up here, you're going to have your Mercedes safety features, so the lane assist, your distance assist, brake assist, all those on there as well. The other option that Outside Vans chooses is going to be that center of gravity, so you're not feeling like you're going to be top heavy, especially with the lift that it has on it as well. I'll have posted the other safety features right next to me, so please pause the screen, take a look at those. But in here you're going to have kind of your luxury side to the adventure. Once we get into the back, I'll show you the luxurious adventure side that they have created for back there as well. But you're going to have your reupholsterized seats with the Outside Van logo right in them. Gives them that nice little touch to them. You're going to have your S-Pod up here where you can control all of your lights from an app. Also on your phone from that S-Pod app, you can control all of your lights. The only thing that has to be controlled through this pad that can't be controlled through your phone is going to be that air compressor in there. But other than that, it is really great, super comfortable. Everything is powered in here. So let's take a look out in the back. So come on. So now we've made it back here to the house portion. So as I stated, this is going to be a true sleep 4, seat 4. You have your additional 4 seats, 2 seats here. These are swivelable, and then they are removable. So if you didn't need one or didn't want to take both with you, or if you just never planned to have 4 people with you and you decide to take them out, that is capable within here. You are going to have a table mount up here in the front, so you can turn all 4 chairs and seat at that for your dinette area, or there's going to be another one in the back that I'm going to show you guys as well. You're also going to have your soft cabin wall. So this is insulated, and when I tell you we are here in Texas and it gets hot during the summers, I had the AC going back here and then not up in the cab, and you could significantly tell the difference between. So it works wonders and is really great to keep out any light whenever you're sleeping or something during the day. You also are going to have insulated window shades for all of your windows from Outside Vans. And then back here you're going to get your galley area. You do have a portable induction cooktop. That's going to be located up in one of your cabinets. Your steel refrigerator, which is a pretty big refrigerator, and then a little ice box there as well. You do have tons of storage space within your galley area. Your still sink with the retractable head. Your nice closet area. So these are adjustable and removable. You are going to have your controls right up here at the front. Additional entertainment little area. You have a radio. It's going to have zones as well, so that's really cool feature. And then back here, this is going to be water box up in the front. So I like this because they are able to use it as like an additional seating space if you have people over, or a lounge. But then when you need to utilize it, you can just remove that cushion, lift this up, and then you can, use your toilet within this. Your shower curtain is going to hook to the rings, and so drop down into the water box and that will be your shower. So all kind of in one, and I love that feature because it just maximizes the space within your Class B motorhome. Back here, you're going to have your additional dinette area, so your table mounts will go right in here, table on top, and then use it as a bench seating. Or this can also be made whenever you're getting ready for bed. Keep it as 2 twins, or you can make this into another queen, and then you're going to have your queen bed up top that's going to pull out with 3 panels. Now I'm going to show you guys that, so give me just a second. Ta-da! So up here you're going to have your queen bed again, and then so down below it leaves some space for any gear that you have. We got exposed L-track all throughout, which is really nice. Add in extra storage pockets. Really do anything with these. Each side can hold about 150 pounds, so I've seen where people will have like a hammock throughout. So put your 3-panel bed back up, and then you can just have your hammock right there. Now if you have people with you or the kids with you, you can make this into kind of like a little bunk bed. So let me show you. See? Now either spot obviously can hold 2 adults comfortably. If you have some kids, they can sleep underneath. It's really great, kind of like a little fort under here. And now if you didn't want to have the 3 panels in the bed, you can definitely take that out for like a specific trip, or if you just didn't need them at all, and utilize this as your bed area for just 2 people if you needed to. Now give me just a moment. I'm gonna get this all put back together, and we will take a look at what we call here the trip saver. Here you go. Here is going to be your water manifold located on your driver's side under the bench seating. What I really love about Outside Vans is they make it super convenient for both the consumer on the service side and for our technicians to get there. So this is going to be what we here at Vogt RV like to call the trip saver. You can turn off specific water lines. So if you get somewhere and you have a leak on your hot water in your galley sink, well, guess what? You can go to that line and turn that off, so you can still utilize water everywhere else. Therefore, the trip saver. A couple of other things that are on here is you're going to have a 22-gallon gray water tank, a 20-gallon freshwater tank. You are powered by 13.2 kilowatts of lithium power in here from Volta. You also have a 3200-watt inverter, and then about 140 watts of solar on top with your solar controller as well. To cool this baby down, you're going to do your 48-volt AC that's going to be located up at the front. So during the cold winter months, you're going to have your furnace in here. It's going to be the hydronics diesel powered, so that's going to be for your furnace and for your hot water. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. Down below, please leave a comment of what your favorite thing was about the Outside Van approach. We would love to have you come at the dealership to take a look at it in person. But along with that comment, like and subscribe below so you can stay tuned for some more videos down the line. Happy camping!